Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll show you my medicines and vitamins. I'm still not clear of COVID-19. So I'm still continue taking my medicine and vitamins. I'll show you. Here are those. So now it's time for me to take my cough medicine, vitamins, vitamin C, okay, and antibiotic. Okay, so I need 10 ml of this cough syrup every 6 hours. Okay, 10 ml. Okay, I need to drink. And then these vitamins, this one. Okay, I need water. Okay, one piece of these vitamins equivalent to 1000 ml for vitamin C and zinc. Okay, so every 6 hours I need to drink all of these vitamins and cough syrup until I become clear from COVID-19. Okay, so habang natutunaw siya, then kasamahan ko ng isang amoxicillin 500 mg capsule. Okay, so ito yung mga BioLife, vitamins, complex and zinc. Meron din ganito. And ito pa, meron pa akong medicine para sa cough. And meron pa akong dalawang vitamin C. Okay, so ito yung 3 piraso din siya sa isang box. Ayan, 3 piraso din siya sa isang box, guys. So lahat ng mga ito ay mga donations at saka yung iba ay binili ko. Then meron na rin tayong naka-reading. Ayan, so malapit na siyang matunaw, guys. Meron din tayo ditong yan lahat yan ang amoxicillin, Panadol. Ayan, para kung meron tayong lagnat. At saka itong Panadol na ito ay Actifast. Yan, itong Panadol na ito. So, meron tayong nakareading mga gamot dyan para tuluyan na tayong gumaling. And of course, yan, meron akong hand sanitizer, hand gel, at saka pang spray. Okay, so isang capsule na antibiotic, then inumin ko na itong vitamins. Please continue praying for me, guys, na magaling na ako ng tuluyan. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.